We are on our first camping trip with Edie. We're at Sequoia National Park, and well, you can't really see the cliffs that well, but it's really beautiful. And Edie was not quite used to sleeping in the tent, but we got to get her used to it at some point. There she is. Can you give a big smile for the camera? No? Okay. Here's the car and the bear thingy-majigger. And there's Daddy again, trying to figure out what hike we're going to do today.
Well, I think the first thing that we're going to do is go to the Giant Forest Museum.
Ooh, Giant Forest Museum. Sounds like fun.
Which is where the main visitor center is.
Okay. Edie. 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 Can you say bye-bye? Alright, well, I'll say bye-bye for Edie. Bye-bye. Hey, Daddy. Here we are at the General Sherman tree in Sequoia National Park. Whew. Edie's having a ride because she took a long walk this morning through the big giant tree. Pretty cool. That's one seriously big tree. Okay, Daddy, turn around. And turn sideways so we can see Edie too. There we go. Can you wave, Edie? No, I think she's a little too bundled. Alright. Well, that's it for now. Alright.
Get us with the tree in the background.
Okay. I have to get farther back to the tree. Alright. There's Daddy and Edie, and there's the General Sherman. Alright. There's Daddy over there. And here's the largest tree in the world. Whoa! It's very, very big. It's extremely large around. I don't know if you can tell from this picture, but it is. Get back here.
That thing has too many bells and whistles.
Alright. Here's Daddy reading about the General Sherman. Edie! 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 Look at Mommy. There's Edie. Alright, one more look at the General Sherman. Alright. Here's Daddy and Edie reading at night. Edie fell asleep while Mommy was reading, so I can't get my headlight quite on her. There we go. Look at that beautiful girl. And look at that beautiful Daddy. And look at that lovely fire burning down. And the dogs are over there. Let's see if I can hit them. You can't really see. There we go. Nova and Frisco hanging out.